Are you feeling frustrated with your dropshipping store's profits? You're not alone. Many store owners work hard yet still struggle financially. Most don't fail from lack of effort, but from silent errors that drain profits. Start with a quick audit of your business. Ask yourself key questions. Are you using backup suppliers? Do you know your break-even ROAS? Score your responses to pinpoint problem areas. Mistakes like an unclear niche and relying solely on one supplier can sabotage your success. Focus on a defined audience and build a two-supplier strategy to ensure resilience. Pricing is crucial. Calculate your contribution margin to avoid losses. Use a simpler store design to enhance user experience and keep customers engaged. Finally, embrace data-driven marketing instead of post and pray. Use insights to run experiments for better results. Act now. Identify and fix one mistake this week and watch your business thrive.